Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone lock screen setting, and today video title is guys double tap to wake screen setting, how to use on Oppo phone device. Friends, we want to on guys to double tap to wake screen setting. So how to on get double tap to wake screen setting and how to use it on Oppo phone. In this video friends we will talk about and I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on home and lock screen setting. Friends, you want to use your home screen setting, you can use from here. First friends, home screen mode you want to change, so you can change your home screen mode. Friends, you want to change your home screen layout, row and column, so you can change from here. Friends, you want to lock your home screen layout, you can lock and you can unlock from here. Friends, scroll it. Lock screen setting first. Raise to wake friends you want to use, you can on a new raise to wake. Double tap to wake screen setting friends, we will on it. After on friends, first of all lock your Oppo phone screen guys. So we will lock screen. After lock screen guys, you want to on your screen without click guys any button. So how to wake screen, how to on screen. So you can double tap here on your screen. Screen will on and guys again double tap to off screen. So friends, without click any button friends, you can on your screen and you can unlock your phone. And friends, without click any button, you can lock your screen. Screen lock friends, click here. So guys, like that friends, you cannot use your power button to off screen and on screen. Double tap here, screen will on friends, and we can swipe to unlock our Oppo phone. So like that friends, you can use double tap to wake screen and off screen Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys. And friends, you don't want to use, so friends you can off from here. After off friends, when you will tap on your screen will not on. Again click power button, you can on screen. Bye guys.